So much water, you guys. It's been raining non-stop here in Florida. Used to be the water line was right there where it's like all green. I know I've showed you guys videos in the past, but it's like this is where we have a fire pit and it's now underwater. So yeah, in hurricane season. Oh my owl just heard me talking. Hi baby, where you been? I can't come out there, it's wet. Where are you? I know, I missed you too. Where are you? You're close. Let's see if I can find you. It's too wet to get close though. Where? Yeah, you're hidden well. I can't see you because it's all wet. I missed you. I'm glad you're safe. Huh? Yeah, it's been weeks. I think it's right here in this tree here, but I can't get over there because it's all wet right here under my feet. And I have on flip-flops. I think it's in this big tree right here. Hi, baby. I know. You should come over to the pond and fish so I can see you. See if you're okay. I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes in the swamp. I'll see you in a little bit, okay? I'll be sitting over there. You come see me. You be safe.